Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to talk about our range of Hyundai petrol-powered lawnmowers. Let's start with all the advantages. First of all, our petrol mowers have brilliant Hyundai engines and of course they're far more powerful than battery or corded equivalents. So this particular model is a 430mm cut lawnmower with a self-propelled function as well, so it does drive itself along. And our range starts at 400mm and ends up right at the top of the range with a 560mm mower. So they come in roller mowers, electric start, non-electric start, self-propelled, non-self-propelled. There's a whole range. Just visit our website to see how extensive it is. Another advantage of these, of course, is that you can go absolutely anywhere. You're not tied by a cord. There's no restriction on the length and distance you can go, other than the amount of fuel you can carry in your fuel can. Well, I do hope you found this useful. I've been Adrian. Thanks for watching.